Welcome. It's time for us to write our first TypeScript code. So I will just create a file called greet.ts. TS is the extension of any TypeScript file. So let's go ahead and have a field created. Let message equal to, we say hello TypeScript, and then we say console log message. Now we need to compile this because this is TypeScript. So after compilation, it's going to generate the equivalent JavaScript file. So let's call the TypeScript compiler. So we can say tsc, which is TypeScript compiler, and then we can give the file name, which is greet. We can give the extension or we can ignore. So for now, I gave it. So it's going to compile it, and we will see a new JS file will get created here. So let's wait. So here is the equivalent JavaScript file got created. The let got converted to var, and then everything is same. But we see that it is complaining about an error. It's saying that you cannot declare the let in the block scope. So this message which we are seeing is we are getting in the compilation phase itself. But in case of JavaScript, we don't get this message. So that's the problem with JavaScript. Hence, TypeScript helps you become more efficient, and shift left means if you are having error you don't encounter in production or in the runtime, rather you get it in the compile time. So you have time to solve that problem and fix it. We are going to solve this problem in the next video. For now, let's go ahead and run the JavaScript file that got created. We could run it on the browser or we could also run it on Node. So Node.js inbuilt has the engine to run JavaScript. That's what we know. So we'll just say Node and then the file name. So we have greet.js. Again, we can skip the extension if you want. And here it says hello TypeScript. So in the next video, let's try to solve this error. Thank you.